EASYJoint, the all-weather jointing compound. It's ready to use, simple and quick to apply. In fact, it's so easy to use, we called it EASYJoint. It's perfect for professional and DIY use and available in a choice of colours. Rain or shine, it goes in fine. It's extremely quick, up to 20 times faster to use than conventional methods of jointing. Our notoriously unreliable weather will not stop play. EASYJoint can be used in virtually all weather conditions. This is of particular interest to professional users, extending the working season, aiding project planning and improving cash flow. With EASYJoint, there's no going back to finish the job. It's got outstanding performance. Quite simply, there is not an easier or better option for jointing pedestrian and light vehicular areas. There's no waste. Opened but unused product can be stored for later use. EASYJoint works best when applied to paving that has been laid on a solid base, mixed no stronger than 7 parts sand to 1 part cement. This will allow water to drain through the joint and soak away. If you're working with a stronger mixed base, such as might be used on driveways, or where you're unsure of the strength of the base, then please refer to our website for further instructions. The following demonstration is shown working on a pedestrian area with a 7:1 or weaker mix. Paving should be laid so that the edges never touch, maintaining a gap of at least 3 mm wide and 25 mm deep. If working with thin materials, it's recommended to scrape a little of the base out where the joints are formed to achieve the required 25 mm depth. When working with materials that have a chamfered edge, remember to maintain a minimum 3 mm gap at the base of the joint. For further information on how best to work with this type of paving, please refer to our website. To prevent EASYJoint spilling out of any open-ended joints, it's recommended to haunch the paving. Where this is not possible, on steps for instance, simply use modelling clay. To apply EASYJoint, you simply require a soft broom, optionally a pointing tool to finish the joint, and a hose with a spray nozzle. An important part of the process is to ensure that the paving is thoroughly soaked with water before and during application. There's no risk of over-wetting the paving. In fact, the wetter the better. This is especially relevant when working with porous and absorbent materials such as sandstone and limestone. Spend several minutes wetting the area before you start jointing and ensure you keep the area wet ahead of where you're working. When the area is thoroughly saturated, cut open the first bag, pour onto the paving and spread or sweep EASYJoint into the joints. Work quickly, initially spreading the compound across the paving using a broom or squeegee. Don't leave the compound sitting in one spot for more than a few minutes at a time. We recommend, if you've not used EASYJoint before, that you work with one bag at a time. More experienced operators can work with larger quantities. The water serves 3 purposes. Firstly, to keep the paving clear of excess compound. Secondly, to flush the material to the bottom of the joints. And thirdly, to minimise any oil residue remaining on the surface. When you've completed the first washing, top up areas where the material has sagged with more EASYJoint and repeat the washing process as before until the job is complete. And so the job is done. There are several finishes that can be applied to the joint. You may simply leave the compound in its natural form with a textured finish. You can sweep over the joint with a soft brush to create a finer texture, or for a smooth joint you can strike the compound with a suitable tool. EASYJoint. Rain or shine, it goes in fine.